Hello, everyone. What happens when the power of nature spirals out of control and humanity is forced to confront it? Today's collection is sure to offer you a completely new perspective. Let's get started.
Найдите!
In Guadalajara, Mexico, the powerful storm reminded everyone of a very real fact. Glass windows are beautiful, but they aren't always safe enough against strong winds. Extreme weather in Rotterdam has revealed the limitations of the roof. It seems that nature at Daytona Beach doesn't use a bell to signal the end of the workday, but rather a bolt of lightning to remind everyone to hurry home. Now you understand why you shouldn't go outside when the weather is about to change drastically, right? Oh, this is a dog in China battling strong winds. No need for many words, just looking at this dog is enough to see the power of survival instinct. Are you impressed? Comment number 2. In your area, do storms often knock down trees like this? Comment where you're watching and share how you prepare before a major storm hits. Oh gosh. In Petamburan, surveillance cameras captured footage of a guest house suddenly collapsing, forcing residents in the surrounding area to be evacuated immediately. Running away was definitely the right decision in a landslide like that. The bus wouldn't be able to protect anyone. Oh my gosh. In your opinion, is this an unpredictable natural disaster or a sign that the structure is not adequately protected against wind? Seeing this scene, you realize that when strong winds blow, trying to hold a tent or shelter in place with human strength can be more dangerous than letting it blow away. Luckily, the camera recorded everything, otherwise explaining to the owner that the roof collapsed by itself while the door was locked would have been no easy task. Volcanoes can be spectacular, but unless you're trained, it's best to observe them from a safe distance. Have you ever heard the sounds of flooding flash floods or falling rocks in real life? If so, please share which area you are in. Oh my God, look at that.
Oh my God, oh look at that, oh shit. Oh no.
I wanted to say that your village is beautiful, and I hope everyone is safe. The Toyota was lucky to stop just in time, but this scene reminds us that on mountain roads, luck shouldn't be the only safety plan. If you see falling rocks, you must find a way to get out of the danger zone immediately. Perhaps it's safer to stay in the car. Oh, maybe not. Be mindful of the sound in the video, as the loud bangs from the eruption may startle viewers. This landing moment was spectacular, as the plane transformed the water surface into its own natural runway. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. Oh gosh, I hope no one got hurt. It seems nature in Rochester woke up earlier than usual and quickly made some snow globes to decorate the yard. Have you ever been to the beach and seen the sea glow like that? This is the innate intelligence of the Asian giant honeybee. Without any training, the entire colony knows how to coordinate to protect the hive in a way that would impress even traditional honey harvesters. Do you know what animal that is? Please leave a comment below. Thank you.
I'm a mommy.
If you're afraid of centipedes, this scene might be a little difficult to look at.
No.
An extraordinary sight in Norway. A frozen river suddenly seemed to erupt from within. Our deepest condolences and best wishes to the affected families and the rescue teams on the scene. Please stay safe.
Через другой, отойдите!
Oh gosh. This appears to be behind-the-scenes footage of a large-scale explosion scene in the movie Spectre. It looks spectacular, but behind those few seconds of fire and explosion lies a process of meticulous planning, safety control, and extremely precise coordination. Before I continue, I'd really like to hear two small things from you. Where are you watching from? And what's the weather like there today? Oh, this scene reminds me of my wife. She handles things very confidently. It's just that the outcome is a bit unpredictable. That guy was even better at hula hooping than I am now. Perhaps they had just finished a long day of clearing bushes and were on their way home to rest and relax. This scene is both adorable and noteworthy, as animals often react very sensitively to unusual vibrations around them. The sandstorm ahead looked like a giant wall, as the car drove invisibility was quickly obscured by a thick cloud of dust. Before going outside in dusty weather, make sure you close all your doors and windows, and don't forget to bring glasses and a face mask to protect your eyes and respiratory system. Wildfires can change direction very quickly with the wind, so don't gamble with your safety, just for an extra beautiful video. The parked cars seemed safe until the storm caused the lamppost next to them to suddenly fall. This scene might look a little funny, but the lesson is very real. Simply, forgetting to engage the parking brake can cause the car to run into trouble in seconds. Severe flooding caused by heavy rains in Chiba Prefecture, Japan. May God bless them. That vortex is the phenomenon of an overloaded storm drain. How will everyone get home now? What's remarkable isn't just that the machine was submerged, but that its lights were still on in such a waterlogged environment. A sudden fall from a great height. Luckily, no one was below. Otherwise, the situation could have had unimaginable consequences. The red BME-36 created a thick cloud of tire smoke right above its moving trailer, turning the nighttime highway into a truly unbelievable sight. Has your area ever experienced landslides? Please tell me where you're from. Before driving your car into an automatic car wash, observe the condition of the surrounding equipment, as convenience sometimes requires caution. Please fasten your seatbelt before the car starts moving. Wow! In January 2026, northern Pakistan was shaken by a powerful 5.8 magnitude earthquake. Hopefully, everyone in the area is safe. On July 11th, Ma Bien County in Leshan, Sichuan province continued to suffer from severe flooding, while rescue efforts in Guangxi were still ongoing. It is hoped that all residents in the affected areas are safe.
Hey, hold up! Whoa, whoa, the deck's splitting! Get away from the edge!
It's going!
Move, now! Oh my god.
The whole thing just went.
After Typhoon Dujuan, the Ximen Dam in Taoyuan, northern Taiwan, had to release floodwaters to reduce pressure. Is the area where you live often affected by storms? It seems the sewer system in Edmonton was under so much pressure that day that even the manhole cover had to jump up and ask for a few minutes break.
We just need to get home.
The normally calm river suddenly became extremely dangerous when floodwaters pushed large barges straight towards the bridge. let us offer a prayer for humanity that we may all remain safe. Thinking the car was heavy enough to stay still, the floodwaters in Hobart proved otherwise. The strong current could sweep away even a car. Even a single sheet of corrugated iron can become a hazard when strong winds and storms arise. Luckily, the driver narrowly avoided falling. Are you still following our show? Comment with the number 1, so I know you're still there. Never ignore Mother Nature's warning signs. Observation and preparation are the only ways to stay safe. What happened?
Uh, ช่องไทยรัฐนะครับพี่ เฮ้ย ไฟไหม้ตรงนี้พี่ เฮ้ย นิว
Satellite images show Typhoon Bavi making landfall in China. The floodwaters forced Norwood Hospital to close, but also demonstrated the true strength of a community in adapting together to adversity. Oh gosh. Is this the biggest flood you've ever seen? On July 9th, 2017, the tunnel's ventilation system unexpectedly transformed the area into a playful sea of white foam. Just a few seconds can change everything. A woman was pulled off the tracks, averting danger just before a train appeared. This is a costly lesson for all drivers about the importance of staying focused while driving. Following railroad incidents like the one in Springfield, Ohio, what is your biggest concern? Public safety, the cargo on the train, or how authorities respond? This moment is really tense. If you smell gas, leave the area, do not turn on any lights, and call for emergency services immediately. The second explosion at the Texas plant sent debris flying into the air. How high do you think it flew? Despite its well-developed infrastructure, New York City can still face unpredictable situations when floodwaters inundate its subway stations. Don't let your safety depend on luck. Start by obeying the law and making the right decisions from the beginning. I thought I was just there to get my car washed. But unexpectedly, the entire car wash station was blown off the ground by the wind. Perhaps after this storm, everyone should replace their doors with sturdier and safer ones.
Why are we stopped? Look at the place.
Oh no. Great, did you enjoy this video? Okay, now you know who owns San Carlos Beach in Monterey, California. We're in charge of this area today.
A terrifying apocalyptic scene unfolded on Highway 11 in northwestern Ontario, Canada tonight as the sky turned a deep crimson and nearly pitch black. Wow, nature is so amazing. This strange phenomenon occurs when a liquid flows in parallel layers undisturbed and giving the impression of stillness.
Beyond the shocking footage from the California coast, massive icebergs in Alaska are beginning to awaken as warming temperatures shake the very fabric of space.
Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Get moving! Oh my God! Look at that! Oh my God! Holy! Yeah!
Now you understand why electricity and lightning can't be on the same stage, right? Iceland is like a land heated from below, where magma lies close to the surface, creating hot springs and bizarre geysers. That's spectacular. This foam looks like a giant natural bathtub, but I hope someone reminded him that this isn't Queensland's free spa package. If you encounter an unusually thick cloud of white gas like this, do not approach to investigate. Leave the area and wait for the relevant authorities to handle it. The moment of the landslide is only the visible part. Before that, water had been silently seeping in, creating pressure and weakening the soil and rock structure from within. If the owner had received the extreme weather warning earlier, they could have prepared in time and avoided much of the damage.
Flow coming down here at Trabuco Canyon Road.
Trabuco Canyon transformed into a raging river of mud as heavy rainfall destabilized the hillside, causing it to collapse below. If you find these moments fascinating, don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Let them experience these amazing and surprising moments too.